You know, sometimes I just don't want to touch the stove. So this baked chicken is perfect for doing as little as possible, as well as getting away from the heat. All I need is some herbs and spices, and then just let the time do magic. Sounds easy? Let's get started. So I use 2 jumbo chicken legs, bone in and skin on. For veggies, I have 3 big potatoes, some cherry parsnips, and carrots. These are both baby carrots, but of different types and colors. The purple one, when baked, can still keep some crunchiness, while the orange one will be tender, which provides a different texture. Then I have whole garlic. I love roasted garlic, so I'm going to use 1 bulb plus several more cloves. These will be baked skin on. You can cut a bulb if you want. 2 kinds of mushrooms, and 1 lonely lemon. So I cut or slice them into smaller shapes like this. You can keep the skin on if you want. That'll save you big time. Herbs, I have thyme, rosemary, and 1 bay leaf, nothing unusual, then some cumin seeds and paprika. And then of course, black pepper, salt, and oil. And that's it. Now grab a big bowl, dump all the vegetables in there. Spray with some salt. Looks like a lot on camera, but actually it's not. Season with the black pepper. Throw in herbs and other seasonings. Break up bay leaf a little bit. If you can find fresh bay leaf, no need to use the dry one like I do. Drizzle with some oil. Then just 1 lemon. And juice the lemon. This lemon is quite juicy, so half is enough. Lastly, add the chicken legs. I'll just get hands in there and mix everything thoroughly. These will be marinated for 1.5 to 2 hours. Actually, you can do that in a big food-level plastic bag. Well, Ziploc works too. It'll be easier to shake the mixture a few times during the marinating in order to balance the seasonings. But since I've already pre-mixed everything, I'll just put the vegetables in the bag. Remember the half-juiced lemon? Don't leave that behind. Drizzle with a little bit more oil if you need it. Then just shake and shake and shake till the vegetables are completely coated with the seasoning. Use a rubber band to tie it up and set aside. Shake whenever you feel like, especially when you're bored. So I'll transfer chicken legs into a separate container because they will be baked at a different time. That said, you can definitely skip this process and leave everything in the mixing bowl. Just remember to toss the mixture once in a while. Here's a trick. If you wish not to wash one more thing at the end of the day, line a piece of foil in a baking pan to cover all the sides. Like that. I ended up marinating vegetables for 2 hours. Dump the vegetables into the pan. Shake a little to spread out the vegetables evenly. Then put in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, place the chicken legs on top, skin side up. Do not miss out any juice because that's flavor. Put a pan back to the oven and continue baking for 40 to 50 minutes. The internal temperature is a little bit higher than the ideal 79 degrees Celsius, but that's okay. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes before serving. Look how juicy the chicken is. I'm gonna dig in. Because chicken has been marinated, so it can still keep the shape, but that doesn't mean it's not moist. It's actually quite contrary. Well, sometimes it's just easier to eat with the hands. What do they say? Lazy baking, lazy eating. Enjoy, and see you next time.